Everybody, welcome back to the shop, and today we're going to build a jointer planer sled. I have a planer, I just don't have a jointer. So I built this modeled after David Picciuto's on Make Something. A lot of I just used basically 3/4 inch scrap that I had laying around and some clips that I had that I previously purchased on Amazon. Speaking of Amazon, links in the description of all the stuff that I've used, and we are Amazon affiliates, so whatever you purchase using those links earns this channel a slight commission. Enough of that. Anyways, let's get started. As you saw, I just clipped off the tips of just the tip of the screw head. And if you don't have a pair of these Capri mini bolt cutters in your toolbox, I highly recommend it. I'll link in the description. They're like 30 bucks, but I tell you what, they're awesome to have. Cut just about anything you put in front of it. Anyways, let's let this super glue set, come back, do some sanding, put down some non-stick pad or some self-sticking sandpaper, and we're almost ready to go.
Bought these a while back. These are the 3 5/8 by 3/4 inch mini hold down clamps. They work perfectly in these tracks. Now, I have a, come on, get in. I now have
sections of the video. You did see that I used this quite a bit on trimming up some wood that I'm making for some cutting boards. Video coming out soon. But anyways, thanks a lot for coming along on the journey. Again, I'm going to leave a video here that I think you're going to like. YouTube's going to leave a video down here that you like, that they think you're going to like. And then over here is a subscribe button. Let's go. Oh, remember, have fun. Be safe. Do something. No, that's not how it goes. Have fun. Be safe. Stay passionate. And make something.